हाय स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू गुड बढ़िया। दोस्तों, आज के इस सेशन में हम सेकंड यूनिट फिफ्थ चैप्टर द हैप्पी प्रिंस इसका वर्कशॉप देखने वाले हैं। तो फिर चलिए वर्कशॉप की ओर बढ़ते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट से वेदर दीज सेंटेंसेस आर ट्रू और फॉल्स एंड करेक्ट द फॉल्स वन। Here we have given some sentences. In that sentences, some sentences are false and some are true. And we have to do one thing in here, that is the false. We have to correct the false sentence. The first sentence, the writer of the story is William Blake, and this statement is false because the writer of the story is Oscar Wilde. Second, everyone admired the statue of the Happy Prince. Answer true. Next statement C, the mother was working when the swallow brought the yellow jewel. This statement is false. The mother was working when the swallow brought the red jewel. After that, the two best things the servants brought to God were gold and jewel stones. This is statement also false because the two best things the servants brought to God were the broken heart and the dead bird. Here we complete the first question. Now we will be moved towards the second question. Question second. Find from the story the homophones of the following words. Here we have given some homophones and to find them. Words that sound the same but differ in their spelling and meanings. Weak, W-A-K weak, W-E-E-K weak. T-H-E-I-R there, T-H-E-R-E there. B-L-E-W blue, B-L-U-E blue. S-E-S-C, S-E-E-C. R-E-D red, R-E-D red. W-A-S-T west, W-A-S-T west. K-N-O-W no, N-O-W no. Not, N-O-T not. T-H-R-E-W 3, T-H-R-O-W throw. R-I-G-H-T right, W-R-I-D right. Here we complete the second question. Also, now we will move towards the third question. Question third, answer the given questions in your own words. सवाल दी गए हैं, जो क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं, उनके आंसर्स हमें अपने खुद के शब्दों में लिखना है and we will do it. First question, where was the Happy Prince statue located? Answer, the Happy Prince statue stood high above the city. Second, why did the swallow decide to stay under the statue of the Happy Prince at night? The swallow decided to stay under the statue of the Happy Prince at night as his friends had gone away and he stayed back for 6 weeks up there. There was plenty of fresh air. Afterwards, next question, why was the prince sad? Answer, the prince was sad to see all the unhappiness in his city. His heart, though made up of cheap metal, felt the pain. Afterwards, next question, what was the first task given to the swallow? Answer, the first task given to the swallow was to go and give the red jewel from the prince's chest to the mother, and the ailing boy was hungry. Next question E, to whom did the prince give the two gemstones of his eye? तो प्रिंस ने उसकी आंखों में जो 2 जेमस्टोन्स थे वो किसको भेंट दिए, किसको गिफ्ट किए? आंसर, द प्रिंस गिफ्टेड द 2 gemstones of his eyes to a young writer who could not complete his writing and to a little girl selling eggs whose eggs had fallen and broken. Next question here, what decision did the swallow finally make? Was it a wise one? Comment. तो सालू ने कौन सा डिसीजन आखिरी में किया और उसका वो डिसीजन सही था या गलत था, का क्या कहना है? Answer, the swallow finally decided to stay back the prince as he loved the prince very much. Yes, it was a wise decision because all these days both of them had been helping one another in their mission of giving happiness to others. Both of them had become very close to each other. Afterwards, next question, why did the swallow finally decided not to leave the prince? सालों ने प्रिंस को छोड़ने का निर्णय क्यों लिया? आंसर, the swallow finally decided not to leave the prince because he was dying. Next, the message do you get from this story? तो हमें इस स्टोरी से क्या मैसेज मिलता है? What message we can get? Answer, the message that we get from the story, Happy Prince, is the wealth is not everything. In spite of all wealth, the prince was not. It teaches us love and compassion towards the poor and the suffering. It throws light on sacrifice for others. Here we complete the third question. Now move towards the fourth question. Infinitives, participles and gerunds. Firstly, we will study about infinitives. Now, what is meant by infinitives? In the sentence, I have to study and I must study. Study is an infinitive form because it does not take s or es or ed after it even if the number of person and the subject changes. Infinitives are generally preceded by two or sometimes by a model auxiliaries. Second is participles. Now what is meant by participles? In the sentences, she dived into the swimming pool and the writing table is in a mess. Swimming and writing are the verb plus ing form and functions as adjective. These are present participles. In the sentences, the police recovered the stolen jewels and bandaged his bruised arm. Stolen and bruised are the verb plus en or ed form and functions as adjectives. One is about Jared. The sentences I love swimming and reading is a good habit. Verb plus ing form function as noun as per the subject or object. These are called verbal nouns or gerunds. So whether the underline are infinitives, participle means present or past or gerunds. So in that sentence we have given some underlined words and we have to identify they are infinitives, they are participles or they are gerund. First sentence, I wish go to is infinitive. They liked his written stories, past participle. Next, third one, he is trying to finish a story, infinitive. Fourth, suffering is stranger than anything, gerund. The dying swallow fell at his feet, gerund. He began to cry, infinitive. And last sentence, he watched the working seaman, gerund. Here we complete the fourth question. Now move towards the question fifth. Write the following dialogues from the story in the indirect speech. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ dialogues दिए गए हैं जो कि direct speech में है and we have to convert them into indirect speech. We will do it. First dialogue. Who are you? Asked the bird. I am the happy prince. Then why are you crying? I am wet with your tears. Answer. The bird asked who he was. He replied that he was the happy prince. Bird asked the prince why was he crying and told him that he was wet with his tears. Next dialogue. The happy prince looked very sad and the little swallow was sorry for him. It is very cold here, he said, but I will stay with you for one night. Tomorrow I will take the jewel. Thank you, little bird, said the prince. Answer. The happy prince looked very sad and the little swallow was sorry for him. He said that it was very cold there, but he would stay with him for one night. The next day he would take the jewel. Afterwards, next dialogue is the dialogue. Little bird, said the prince, please will you stay with me for one more night? My friends are waiting for me, answered the bird. The prince requested the bird to stay with him for one more night. The bird answered that his friends were waiting for him. Next is day, under a bridge, two little boys were lying close together to keep warm. We are so hungry, they said. You cannot lie there, shouted a guard. Answer. Under a bridge, two little boys were lying close together to keep warm. They said that they were very hungry, but the guard shouted they could not lie there. Next is goodbye. Next and last dialogue. Goodbye, dear prince. He said, I'm glad that you are going to Egypt, said the prince. You have stayed too long. I'm not going to Egypt, said the swallow. I'm going to the house of God. Answer. He said goodbye to the prince. The prince said that he was glad that he was going to Egypt. As he had stayed too long, the swallow replied that he was not going to Egypt, he was going to the house of the god. Here we complete the fifth question. Now move towards the sixth question. Divide the story into parts. Make four groups in your class. Each group should take one part of the four parts to convert the story into a play and act your play. Act your part. आपको आपके क्लास को फोर पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है स्टोरी के फोर पार्ट्स बनाने हैं each group will play one part of the story or enact it in front of the class and ये एक्टिविटी आपको खुद को करनी पड़ेगी क्योंकि ये इनैक्ट की एक्टिविटी है afterwards next question 7 if you could change the end of the story that is after Solo refused to fly Egypt how would you change it summarize the idea in 10 to 12 lines अगर आप ये स्टोरी लिखते हैं, तो इस स्टोरी को आप किस तरह से एंड अप करते हैं, हमें समराइज करना है एंड वी विल डू इट। आंसर, आफ्टर द सोलो हेल्प द हैप्पी प्रिंस टू रिफ्यूज टू फ्लाई टू इजिप्ट, द स्नो came there was frost, the streets shimmered as looked as if made of silver. The poor swallow get colder and colder but could not leave the prince. One day he was picking breadcrumbs from outside the baker's door. When sudden when suddenly the baker saw him, the swallow wanted to fly with fear, but the baker was a kind man. The baker's name was Simon. When he saw the freezing bird in the cold winter, he took him inside his bakery and built a cozy nest for him to rest. The swallow survived the winter. The happy prince, though ugly, stood there happily as he had gained a friend for life. The swallow had also got a new friend, Simon. He enjoyed the spring and the summer with both his friends. When winter came, the happy prince asked the swallow to go Egypt and return again after meeting his friend. The swallow did same when he returned, but both his friends welcomed him. The happy prince was never unhappy with his friend, the swallow. And here we completed the 7th question. I hope आपको ये questions और ये story जिस तरह से हमने end up की वो अच्छी लगी होगी। अब हम अगले question की ओर बढ़ते हैं। Means question number 8. Pick one of your favorite stories. Fill in the following facts about the story. हमें story के बारे में कुछ facts दिए गए हैं and हमें वो fill up करने हैं and हम वो अभी fill up करते हैं। Name of the story, Pride and Prejudice. Type of story, romantic and social. Setting, time and place in early 80s. England. Important characters, Elizabeth and Jane Bennet, Mrs. Bennet and Darcy. Theme or plot, the emotional development of the main character, conflict or dilemma. Darcy is a rich and proud. Elizabeth is strongly prejudiced against him. Their status and lifestyle differ. However, they are attracted to each other. Solution and prejudices. How they overcome their and come together forms the main story of the novel and end. Darcy and Elizabeth overcome their prejudices and their true emotions come through. The end is happy one with everything ending well. Here we completed the workshop. I hope आपको ये workshop कोई भी डाउट हो तो कमेंट कीजिए। तो इसी तरह से इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड जो अदर वीडियोस है वो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बाजू में दिख रहे बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए, वहाँ पे ऑल कीजिए ताकि आपको वीडियो के बारे में सभी नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहे। तो इसी तरह से सभी सब्जेक्ट के सभी क्लास के सभी वीडियोस एक ही जगह पे देखने के लिए प्ले स्टोर पे जाइए, गुरबरिया सर्च कीजिए और हमारा यह एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल कीजिए। यह एप्लीकेशन सबके लिए बिल्कुल फ्री है। एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय अगर आपको कोई परेशानी हो तो हमारा जो ऑफिशियल नंबर है उस पर मैसेज कीजिए ताकि हमारी टीम आपको एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल करते समय मदद कर सके। एप्लीकेशन की लिंक आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहाँ पे भी जाकर एप्लीकेशन। हमारे कुछ सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स हैं, उनकी लिंक्स आपको इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिलेंगे, वहाँ पे भी आप ज्वाइन हो सकते हो। इस एप्लीकेशन में हमने 4 सेक्शन किया है जिसके भीतर आप डाउट्स आपके जो क्लासमेट्स हैं उनके साथ मिलकर करके वहाँ पे हमारे टीचर्स भी हैं, उनके साथ भी डिस्कस करके आप आपके सभी डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हैं। दोस्तों आज के इस सेशन में हम यहीं पे रुकेंगे, जल्दी मिलेंगे अगले नए वीडियो के साथ, नए सेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए बाय बाय दोस्तों, टेक केयर।